Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to download and set up OBS Studio. Many of you have asked for the tutorial, so let's get started. To begin, open up the Chrome browser. In the search bar, type OBS download. Press enter. You will see the official OBS Studio website as the first link. Click on it and the website will load. From there, you will find download options based on your operating system. Since we are using Windows, select the Windows option. OBS Studio supports different versions, so choose the version compatible with your system and start the download. This is the quick process, and once the download is complete, open the file. Now our download is complete. Normally it takes 5 to 10 minutes in downloading. Now open your download folders. Click on OBS Studio. Now a setup window will appear. Follow the prompts by clicking Next and Install. OBS Studio will begin installing, which should only take a minute or two. When it's done, you'll see a Finish button. Click it to complete the installation and launch OBS Studio. Now specify what you want to use the program for. If you only want it for the streaming, then recording is secondary. But if you want it for recording, then it will not be streaming. At a time, you can do only one thing. Either you will stream or either you will record. I want OBS only for the recording purpose, so I'm going to choose the second option. I'm going to click Next. Now it is asking me to specify the video settings you would like to use. For the base resolution, I'm going to check 1920 into 1080. Now for FPS, we have many options here, either 60 or 30, but preferred 60 when possible, either 60 or 30, but prefer high resolution. Use current 30 or 60. I'm going to use it 30 because 30 FPS gives you better quality as there is less bitrate needed to cover the image of your screen. Now I'm going to apply settings. Now you can see the OBS is open and it is having 6 sections. This section is the canvas. This is for the scenes, this is for the sources, and this is for the audio mixer, and this is for the scene transitions, and this section is for the controls. In the next video, I'll teach you how to work on this OBS Studio. For that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.